Sometimes you come for me. Sometimes I'm lost and I can't find you. Waiting for me. Your love is good. I love your company. Feel like I'm safe enough.
This week didn't start here. It started down in the ghetto.
For the past 2 days, I have been like horribly, terribly sick. Like unable to get out of bed, kind of sick. I haven't taken like a bath or showered in like 2 days. Today is Thursday. I'm just trying to revive myself from where I'm at now. I'm definitely not 100% yet, but I'm hoping by the weekend I'll be okay. You make me try all my time. I give you all my time. You look good. Oh my God, I adore you. We not away.
Maybe I wasn't that sick because I managed to go out on Friday.
My mom is in a meeting, so me and you are going for school run. I was meant to go to the dentist today. I had booked an appointment, but obviously I'm sick, and quite frankly I can't go to the dentist anymore. But my mom and my sister are still going to Optometrist. I am dressed like a whole onion, but the sun is out. Well, it's coming and going. It's kind of cloudy, but the sun is out. Let's put on some music. Safety first, guys. Wear your seatbelts.
And I promise his love is enough. And I know that you're looking for peace. Yeah, but you won't find it in the drugs. Yeah, if you wanna be free, yeah, then freedom is found in the blood.
Tell me why that Sea Body song is stuck in my head. I haven't even listened to the whole song. I have listened to Soyeto, and at some point I was replaying it like crazy. And then everybody on TikTok started talking about how Rema is for the other side. I don't know whether it's true, but you know what's so crazy, guys, is literally it always is like your spirit will already know that, ooh child, this song is bad. I am one person that if I just get bad vibes, I'm out of here. Like, I'm not listening to your music. Afrobeats has been like, you know, that place where you just find like, you know what, these are my people. Like, there's nothing shady going on here. Well, I guess like Afrobeats has really gotten, I think, really sexual over the past years. Afrobeats is my safe space. It's that music that I just listen to for good vibes, and I don't need to be stressed about it. I'm not the most spiritual person, but I'm trying to get back there. I haven't been there in a long time, like been there deep inside there in a long time. And it's like every day passes, and in my mind I keep on thinking, you know what, I need to work on my relationship with God. I need to work on my relationship with God. And at the end of the day, the week passes and I still haven't done it. I'm no longer that girl. I'm taking full accountability for my actions, because at the end of the day, I feel like my relationship with God benefits me more than it benefits God. And you know, guys, in this life is just getting more tough, and you just need something to hold on to. You need something to rely on.
Yo, I'm like, you already know. Christ Jesus on my heart, enthroned. That virgin birth, no hands, that was the stone. These stones forming together, now it's grown. From the lion to the lamb to the lion. I ain't clay feet, getting smashed like iron, putting pressure on our lives.
They think I've gone crazy because I chose Christ over what they think. Worldly situations just don't faze me. Too busy making sure my Father save me when He takes me. Mind over matter, gave it all to Him. Time's getting sadder, put your trust in Him. No need for
Never going back into the being that I was. Never took advice from other people that I trust. Never knew that
Cooking is so therapeutic, like nobody can tell me otherwise. Hi guys, it's me, I come back. I just came from the hair shop store. I saw this hairstyle on TikTok and obviously peer pressure pressured, and now we are here. I got some black dye. Well, it's not black dye, I got henna instead of black dye because I feel like henna is less permanent. I got the hair, this hair. There were a lot of options. I wish I had filmed it for you guys, but I didn't because I was literally so indecisive in the shop. I kept on walking up and down and my boyfriend was on the line trying to make me sane.
Lord save me from the life I live. This life I lead is also different. The one about I gotta go back to the kitchen. Sleepless nights and OT missions. Bro wanna bell off my line and talk about church, but I can't afford to listen.
I am so excited to do my hair, to be dyeing my hair. Like, I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous. I feel like my hair has been blonde for a really long time. So like kind of taking it back to black, it's just gonna be so new.
Yeah, the enemy make a living watching souls die. She can see the difference from her own eyes.
Just took all the water in this lunchbox thing, and then I also poured like a measuring spoon. I have to keep on reading the instructions because I don't want to get this wrong. So I'm going to separate my hair.
You are the God who keeps in perfect peace all those who trust in you. You're the true vine, and I will bear much fruit if I remain in you. You open seas for the righteous, and you always move the way for them. You wake me up in the morning when the day is no, you're such a friend.
Oh my gosh, okay, let's do it. We've started this, there's actually no going back. I can't believe I'm actually gonna do this.
you don't wanna touch the Lord's anointed. That's TLA. When you know me, man, I got faith to move the mountains. That's a faith in my DNA. Yeah, man, it's in my DNA. I put faith and I put my trust in God, and I can never be a
I was supposed to wear gloves. Oh, not wearing gloves.
Oh, wretched man that I am. I ain't nothing but a sinner, I'm just losing in my ways. But I'm acting like a winner, I can read a few scriptures and show you the way. Say bye, go home and then sin anyway. So don't listen to me, I'm just a liar. I can tell you 2 lies in your face while my spirit's on fire.
I probably should have made it into like 2 sections. That would have been a lot easier. It's on my face. Oh!
What is that blanket? Normally, yeah, you even put some for the baby. This one you need to put some.
I need to put some more.
Yeah.
Mommy, don't go anywhere.
Sing, mommy, sing, mommy, sing, mommy.
Go, mommy, go, mommy. Go, mommy, go, mommy. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's black, guys. It's black. I changed my top because I now want to rinse it. I'm going to do like a test first to see if it's actually going to rinse off. Or rinsed out. Or rinsed out. Oh my gosh. My hair is black. Oh my goodness. My hair is black, guys. My hair is black. This feels weird. I don't know. I don't know how to feel. I'm gonna put this coconut oil and some hair food into my hair. Like,
I'm freaking out about the way you love me, even when I do you wrong. I know that you're always thinking of me. Gotta put it in a song. Your love is perfect, I have nothing to fear.
that is the end of part 1. Now we are going on to part 2, which is actually braiding my hair.
I know you need someone that you can bust bands with and serve God with. Take a nice quick trip. I don't need a girl that will anger my soul or take me from you, Lord. No, oh no, like I sweet one. I see that. She's like Esther. I feel that. She'll have fruits of the spirit, Lord, we love that. Galatians 5:22, I see the fruit acts. I just want a girl I can bring home to. Show my mum, she'll say, son, best make her your boo. Long walks on my own got me thinking about you, but I can't for too long. I might make a mad move. I know you be through things that you cope with alone. Deep dark secrets that just eats at your bone. You don't have to tell me, you can tell me when you're ready. I just need a sweet one I can keep for my own. I need a real grinder. We can also hush my.
I've basically gone through like the first pack of hair. I don't want it to be like too bulky, but yes,
I think that could be okay.
Guys, I have been waiting for this package, and oh my word, this feels very surreal, but this is so crazy.
We are gonna call this the secret envelope. Keep that in mind for a later vlog.
Purify my dreams as I cover my face so they can see your face in me. Father, teach me how to fall in love with simple things. Surely I will give you glory for eternity. You are all I need.
I didn't want it to be this big, but I feel like I already hear her. Okay, I need a comb.
I can never make fuss. It's only God that can elevate us. If one day you the man then bust, don't get it confused, the reason ain't us. We put the work in, late night lurking. Still pray, can't nothing ain't certain.
I always have to wake up before everybody else because I'm always late. I actually didn't want to get out of bed. But we have to.
My mom has already started the car, which means that she's not waiting for anyone.
Concrete, and I was bragging that I've changed, even though I ain't complete. And Lord God, I'm just selfish, always think of myself. Said I'm gonna read the Bible, end up doing something else. And how many times have you cleaned a slate off? And by the next morning I'm just a fornicator. Easily believe, easily deceive, easily is the devil dealing with me. And bad habits that I'll easily teach. And when I curse, I call it freedom of speech. I put this ink in my body. Now look at the state of me, a temple of God. That's how you created me. If I was you, I would've hated me. I turned my back on the Lord when the world started rating me. Turned back around and you was waiting.
I'm about to go to the dentist. I'm probably gonna get a filling. I just hope that I come back and I'm able to talk. As long as I'm able to eat. Should we go like this? So this is back from the dentist. Although my mouth is numb, I can get teeth.
All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm
Back at our favorite place.
no more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone.